Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. My name is Jeremy and I am the founder here at WeldTech Designs. And today we're going to be talking about our 5C approach to making your RV suspension better. The WeldTech Designs 5C approach to suspension consists of 5 key elements. Number 1, control. Number 2, clearance. Number 3, comfort. Number 4, capacity. Number 5, confidence. It's a known fact that most of these motorhomes have an inherent drivability issue from the factory, and our focus at WeldTech Designs, which include the Class C on the E-Series chassis, the Class A on the F53 chassis, and the small Class B like a Chinook or Road Trek. Now, most of these motorhomes are built on a generic chassis, which doesn't account for the weight distribution or the length of this massive coach because there are so many varieties of floor plans offered by your favorite RV manufacturer. Now, think about how many floor plan options are currently being offered by these RV manufacturers using the same exact chassis. For example, consider the RV without a full wall slide versus with a full wall slide and the weight difference that coach is going to have. With that being said, we're going to dive deeper into our 5C approach to RV suspension. The first C is going to be control. Most RV owners complain that they lack the desired control on highways or even the city streets, and this could be caused by low spring rates. A highly suggested fix for this issue is going to be a heavy-duty sway bar or other Band-Aid products in hoping and giving you better improved control. Now, while these options are widely offered and even recommended, they don't address the real issue. Instead of just wrapping an expensive contraption to your coach, WeldTech Designs takes things a step further and completely replaces the inadequate suspension components equipped and designed and rated for your specific coach. Now, this upgrade will reduce the sway, giving you better control of your RV. The next C is going to be clearance. You're worried about pulling into a driveway or gas station due to the lack of clearance on your coach. Many items like the hydraulic leveling jack, entry steps, sewer pipes, and maybe even the trailer hitch lack the desired clearance to prevent damage to these expensive components. Now, the WeldTech Design suspension packages range from 2 to 6 inches, giving you the clearance and peace of mind while on your journeys that you're going to avoid costly damages to your RV. The next C is going to be comfort. In getting to your destination, whether it be on the highway or a graded dirt road, you may feel as though your motorhome is going to just shake apart. Well, the main culprit of this suspension is a combination of an overloaded chassis with inadequate suspension components. Now, we at WeldTech Designs have designed all of our suspension packages to give you the comfort that you would expect from a high-priced RV. Well, we are not just adding to your current suspension. We are completely replacing your core suspension components, giving you optimal comfort. The fourth C is going to be capacity. At first glance of your RV, you may notice that the rear sits undesirably low. Upon closer examination, you realize that your rear leaf spring might even be negative and lacks the support necessary to adequately handle the weight of your rig, whether it be towing or just the gear you're putting in it. Common fixes for these are expensive helper springs, or maybe you've even been recommended airbags in an attempt to lift the rear of your coach. Many manufacturers even add these just to get their overweighted coaches off the lot, selling you a false added benefit. The WeldTech Designs progressive leaf springs are designed to the weight and specifications of your RV. This is going to correct the ride height as well as improve the load carrying capacity and tongue weight of your RV. Our proprietary springs will also reduce sway, eliminating the need for aftermarket sway bars or other Band-Aids that you may have been sold on. We saved the best for last, guys, and this is going to be confidence. This is our fifth C. When driving your RV, you want to be confident in knowing that you're going to reach your destination stress-free, eliminating that white knuckle driving and fighting to keep your RV in its lane. No more worrying about disrupting the undercarriage while pulling in and out of driveways. Bumps, dips, and harsh roads are no match for our shocks and suspension packages. And the sway and handling issues that are common in these are just a thing of the past. This is going to be great. This is the all-new WeldTech Designs 5C approach to your RV and van suspension. Number 1 is going to be control. Number 2, clearance. Number 3, comfort. Number 4, capacity. And number 5, confidence. Of course, you're going to have a lot more questions, and our knowledgeable sales staff is going to be happy to assist you in selecting the best suspension package for your RV. And if you want to take it a step farther, you can schedule a test drive at our facility here in San Diego, California. So thanks so much for learning about our WeldTech Designs 5C approach to motorhome suspension. We look forward to improving your suspension for your next journey.